In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Broward County. We'll be using the Broward County Clerk payment website, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to click. As always, make sure you have your citation information ready before you begin, since that will help you move through the payment steps more quickly. Start by going to the Broward County online payment site. Once the page loads, look for the login option and click it. If you already have an account on the site, this is where you can sign in to make the process a little faster and keep your activity connected to your profile. On the login screen, enter your email address in the appropriate field. Then type in your password and click Login. Be sure to enter your information carefully so you can access your account without delays. If you don't already have an account, that's completely fine. Instead of signing in, simply choose Continue as Guest. This option lets you move forward without creating an account, which can be helpful if you just want to make a one-time payment. After you're in, find and click on Find a Case. This will take you to the search area where you can look up your traffic ticket. On the available search options, select Citation Number. This is the method used in this walkthrough and is usually the quickest if you already have the ticket in front of you. Next, enter your citation number exactly as it appears on your traffic ticket. Take a moment to double check the number for accuracy because even a small typo could keep your case from appearing in the search results. Once the number is entered, click Search. The system should then pull up your case information. From here, continue through the prompts on the screen until you reach the payment section. The exact screens may vary slightly, but the idea is to keep following the site's instructions to review the case, confirm the details, and move ahead to payment. Before submitting anything, it's always a good idea to review the information carefully to make sure you're paying the correct citation. Once everything looks right, you can proceed until the payment is completed. And that's it. That's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Broward County. If you're following along, take your time on each screen, especially when entering your citation number and reviewing the case details before payment.